Headphones are light and the ear cups are very soft, noise cancellation works just fine, overall a great product to invest into. Loving it, some real bass. Product is really good, and the seller responds for all our queries. Noise cancellation works pretty well. Best pair of Bluetooth headphones from Sony, followed by 100XM3. Just love it, so many options of sound and bass is really awesome. If your budget is around 10k to 15k, then buy it blindly, it's very worthy in its segment. Don't forget to connect the headphones with Sony Headphones Connect app, ID. In this range of headphones, the company should have given case cover for protection. It have a silk cotton pouch. Overall the product is awesome. Sound quality is far better than Sennheiser BTNC 4.5H done. Also it comes with lot of features. Go for it guys. This headphone has an awesome sound output, and I don't think if you'll ever need more bass than this. Voice is way better in comparison to the competition. Gesture-based navigation is very convenient and ear cups are very comfortable. Even if you use USU headphones all the time, they tend to give you a little over 30 hours, i.e. days in my case. On these headphones is not that all good, although it works well in environment with low frequency noise, but if you play music at 60% of the volume, you'll miss most of the noise. I don't think if you need to buy the top of the line 1000 series if you don't travel a lot, since they can easily deal with most of the noises. I would definitely liked it they supported multi-connect. I don't find any other problem with these headphones. Mind-blowing experience, fantastic features packed headphones from Sony. Pros plus 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 plus. Overall build quality is very good, design is very aesthetically appealing, headphones are very comfortable, leathered ear cups and top head is very good quality and premium. They are very heavy, which is good for long-term usage. Noise cancellation, these noise cancellation is very good. It cancels all the ambient sound except for some sounds that are of very high pitch like cutting machine, and does its job very good. For total noise cancellation you need active noise cancellation. You get a carry bag to put your headphones and protect them from dust. The frame design is great, which helps in the fitting of the headphones quite great. It doesn't fall off easily. You can use for jogging or even for gymming. Greater than control the bass levels, greater than control the surround sound options, greater than configure your sound levels, greater than change the function of the dedication button to voice assist functionality. Headphones support 360-degree audio that is only available via some other music service which are subscriptions based. But trust me, if you listen to the 360 audio you will feel you are there sitting in front of the person who is singing. There is feature which detects your motion whether you're sitting, walking or running. Through this headphones adjust the sound and noise cancellation accordingly automatically, which helps in not hurting your ear outside mask. Cons: Bluetooth 4.2 is there, no Bluetooth 5.0. The plastic of the headphones outside the ear cups feels little cheap. Final thoughts: just go for it, trust me, you will hear the sounds which you have never heard before. Price to quality ratio is very well defined, and yes, bass is must for music, otherwise we got the headphones back in those days with no too little bass and they hurt your ears after long listening. Final thing is, you would not need to listen at increased volume to enjoy the music. Only at 35 to 40% is more than enough. I give them 8/5/10. Go for it. Pro tip: after usage also pack it in the given carry case so that dust doesn't accumulated on the headphones, and trust me, dust is the enemy of headphones. Sound quality as expected from Sony, true bass is more than sufficient at 0%, higher than that leads to distortion. Amazing battery life, though not tested for 30 hours at a stretch, but still all day listening at Q100% volume on weekends brought the battery percent to 70% in consecutive 2 days of listening. Very soft cushioned ear cups, but need to be very careful while wearing and removing to avoid accidental touch on the right ear cup. Best at best price, perfect for entertainment, noise cancelling is good, sound is really very bright and punchy, battery life is very good. These headphones are your type if you love bass and vocal, feels like premium product on touching, touch sensors for pausing, playing music. The cushions on the upper side are very comfortable. Writing this review after 1 month of use, if you are in a hunt for premium, mid-range, bass-heavy and best-in-class audio quality headphones, this is the way to go. After all, he's the brother of XM3s. Don't forget to use Sony's Headphone Connect app, it really does make a difference. Don't use it straight out of the box. Tune it the way you like. Noise cancellation is good, shuts most of the noises. There is a hint of vibration when listening to bass-heavy songs. Comes with aptX, aptX HD, DSEE, LDAC support. No latency at all while watching Prime Video, YouTube or any other app. It's a theater-like experience. Leather cushions are comfortable for longer periods, much better than XM3s. Headcups are also spacious than XM3s. Type-C charger is a boon. Battery life is also the same as claimed by Sony. If you place your right hand on the right side of the headphones, it will mute the music and you will be able to listen to the other person. Nice touch. Touch controls are great. Double tap to pause, swipe up to increase volume, swipe down to lower down. Swipe right to next song and left to previous. In the end, if you are still not convinced with my review, watch Flossie Carter and The Unlocker and Jim Caddy review of the same headphones. You will be able to clear your confusion. Awesome, just received my XB900N, just as you would accept from Amazon. Everything was perfect, burn it just for 4 songs from my Apple playlist. Noise cancelling was awesome, I'll say go for the Sony. Good one. The headphone is awesome. Really loved the sound quality. And noise cancellation is also pretty much good. The build quality is also good. Comfortable to wear. Just one issue that I found was while upgrading the software, it was a little slow, but extremely happy with the headphone. Noise cancellation is excellent. Alexa works well, but it is not suitable for heavy workouts as it slips off. It's okay for running but not for any jumping activities. Grip isn't good. Amazing sound quality and bass. Unk is also good. Cheaper in Sony's website. Sound quality is the best, I love it, and the extra bass, it's just awesome. Sony, I love it. Sony has always been an age-old player in sound dynamics. The WHXB900N is a perfect blend of Sony's expertise on sound and modern wireless headset. Has an amazing noise control, an app that easily modifies the different mode of ambience, and a lightweight and soft design. A1 product. This is a nice combo of bass and music. Previously I purchased Audio-Technica M50XBT and really liked the sound quality, but the bass response was very weak to my liking. So I returned it and bought this headphone. Indeed, the sound quality is inferior compared to M50XBT, but it makes up most of the part. It has deep resonating bass, good vocal, nice highs, somewhat weak lows and decent noise cancellation. The touch control is a bit finicky but better than most competitors. I think it's a good mid-range headphone for the price. Noise cancellation is good, sound quality and the battery life is great. Click link in description for more reviews.